Alright folks, what we have here is the rotatable waterproof mobile phone holder, and here the installation instruction that you can follow. So basically it's pretty cool, and it's pretty easy to install. All you have to do is just peel this off and then attach to where you want your phone to be in your shower. And because this is rotatable, so it doesn't really matter how you hang it. The only thing though, if you have really thick phone case, you cannot put the whole thing in here, so you'd have to take the case off. Okay, and the way you close it is just to press one side, press it one time on this side. Okay, and then to open it, press it again. Now you can open it. It's very convenient, and it came in with 3 colors. You can pick your color. The one I have is white.